Hi, good day and welcome to today's class on My Lesson Teacher. In today's class, we shall take more exercises on construction of triangles. In this question, we are asked to construct a triangle PQR such that angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees, while angle RPQ is equal to 45 degrees, and we are given line PQ to be equal to 8 centimeters. In the previous exercises, we're given more of the lines or more of the sides than the angles. But in this exercise, we are being given more of the angles than the lines. So we shall have a sketch of what the question wants us to do and thereafter construct what we have sketched. So this is the required angle, triangle, PQR. Let me call this P, Q, and R, such that angle PQR is 60 degrees. This is angle PQR, which is 60 degrees, and angle RPQ is 45 degrees. Angle RPQ, this angle is 45 degrees, and that PQ is 8 centimeters. This is PQ is given as 8 centimeters. So you can equally take your triangle to be this way, where you call it P, Q, and R, and we have it that PQ is given as 8 centimeters, angle PQR is 60 degrees, this is 45 degrees. Now, why did I have to rotate it this way? I have to rotate it this way so as to construct it easily. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to construct angle 45 because you have to turn your board this way or your exercise book, okay? If you are working with your exercise book, it's easier to rotate it. But if you are working on the board, then you can rotate your triangle this way and then construct. So we shall be making use of this. Nevertheless, this is also a good interpretation of the question. But all I did was to change the sides. So let's go in constructing triangle PQR and with all the information given. So we'll start by constructing side PQ. Side PQ is given as 8 centimeters. So with your ruler, you are going to construct it. So let's draw a straight line. Once, okay? You don't need to be drawing too many lines. So we'll pick a point and you call it point P. So this is point P, and we have it that PQ is given to be 8 centimeters. So you pick your compass and attach your pen the way I'm doing it. Make sure it's firm, and then you measure 8 centimeters. So I have to extend it until I get to 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeters. So with P as center, I'll construct an arc to cut the line. So this is said to be my point Q, and this is given as 8 centimeters. Next is to pick any of the angles and construct. You may decide to construct angle 45 degrees before you construct angle 60 degrees. Whichever you take will still give you the same, will still lead to the same correct answer. So let's construct angle 45 degrees. And how do we construct angle 45 degrees? We say we can get angle 45 degrees when we bisect angle 90 degrees. So in order for me to construct angle 90 degrees, I'm going to pick any suitable radius, okay, with P as center, let me use a lighter stroke. With P as center, let me reduce the radius. It seems to be too big. Okay. With P as center, construct a semicircle. Call this AB. You then extend. I want to construct angle 90 degrees. So with A and B as center and radius greater than half AB, you construct an arc above with B as center. You also do same. Thereafter, you join line, call this point C. You then join CP, and that gives you angle 90 degrees. Okay, mine does not intersect, so you ensure that yours intersects very well. Now, if this is 90 degrees, you then bisect angle 90 degrees. And how do we bisect angle 90 degrees? With A and C as centers, you construct an arc this way. So with B as center, you construct an arc this way. Same thing with this point where it cuts. You also construct an arc this way. Call this point D. You then join D and P together. Confirm the points before you draw, just the way I'm doing. First to have a good point. Okay, so this is said to be angle 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Next, we have to construct is angle 60 degrees. Also, with Q as center, you construct angle 60 degrees. So how do we construct angle 60 degrees? We say with any radius, you construct a semicircle. So with Q as center, construct a semicircle. So I can call this is D, call it E and F. So since my angle is towards E, I will not change the radius. With E as center, you construct an arc to cut across the semicircle. And this is said to be point G. You then join G and Q, and you ensure that it cuts across the line PD. Okay, it must intersect on that line, so you ensure that they are straight, so you join them. Okay, so this gives us our point QPR. So this is said to be point R. Now we have been able to construct our angles. This is said to be 60 degrees. For this is also 45 degrees. Are we required to measure anything? No, we are only asked to construct a triangle PQR such that angle PQR is 60 degrees, while angle RPQ is 45 degrees, and point line PQ is said to be 8 centimeters. So this is what you will get when you do that. But also, for you to be on the safer side, you can also measure. Most times you may be asked to measure line PR. So I will just measure line PR as well as line QR. So when you do this, you can confirm your lines and let's see if they are same. So I am having this to be, this is 6.9. This is 6.9 centimeters, while QR is given to be, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.8. This is 5.8 centimeters. So you can construct and let's see what you got as your own measurements. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Thank you and see you in our next class. Do have a nice day.